In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to take a logo or something that you've created in Illustrator and get it over into Photoshop so that you can make a specific sized image and then export that image with a transparent background so that it can be used on basically anything. Now I've opened a file, a logo file as you can see here, for a company called LifeCare. First thing I need to do is with my regular select tool option here, just going to highlight the content that I want to take over. Now I have two screens. You can't see that here, but I'm going to slide this off out of the way for a second. Now I do need to have a document open in Photoshop. So right here in Photoshop, I'm going to create a new document. I'm going to make it 1280 by 720 pixels, 72 pixels per inch, and red, green, blue color at 8-bit because we're using this for the web. So we'll go ahead and hit OK. Creates our document. Now I'm going to just click back over to my Illustrator here. I have everything highlighted that I want to bring over. So I'm going to grab it, just simply drag. It's got this little plus sign, drop it. Wait just a second and it'll pop in. Now let's move this down into the canvas in the middle of it. If we hit enter on the keyboard, it's going to just drop it into place. Now I want to remove this background layer, this locked background layer. So I'm going to double click it. That'll bring up this dialog box. Just press OK. That'll unlock it and you can delete layer. Now I've got this checkerboard looking stuff going on behind the layer. That means that it's transparent. So now all we need to do is export the image. So go to File, Save for Web. When our Save for Web dialog box opens up, it's going to go back to what it was the last time you used it. Or if you haven't used it before, it'll probably be sitting on JPEG. Now since we want a transparent background, we need to drop this down and move it to PNG 24. Now you notice this transparent background. Make sure that transparency is checked. If not, it'll have this white background. Now hit save. Now we can save this as our logo. And when we view this in a folder, it's going to look like it's sitting on a white background. But if we close this, and then we open, let's go ahead and open both of these two files. Now you see it's brought this in with the transparent background, and we've got our other file over here that's just a picture. Let's take this and drag it over to this other one, and then come back out here onto the stage and let go. And you'll see that it's fully transparent. So this can be dropped on anything, and you'll be able to see through what you need to see through. This is how to export a transparent image, whether it's a logo that you've gotten from Illustrator or whatever it is. If you're having trouble with anything, just leave a comment and tell me what you're having trouble with. Maybe I can make a tutorial and help you out.